Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make a Peppa Pig quiet book. Begin by cutting felt templates for each page and organizing colors. Use small safety eyes or embroidered details for faces to keep parts secure. Pin layers and stitch with a short running stitch to build pages. Add Velcro or snaps for interactive pieces and check fit as you go. Keep pages simple and soft for little hands. Gather felt in skin, dress, and accent colors, plus embroidery floss and a small sharp needle. Cut simple paper patterns for Peppa, grass, and props to test size. Use a template to trace all felt pieces to keep shapes consistent. Label pieces so you don't mix parts between pages. If you want removable elements, plan small Velcro circles and test placement before final stitching to maintain balance. Start by building each page separately, positioning background felt, and then arranging applique pieces. Sew faces and small details first, then secure larger pieces with a blanket stitch for a clean edge. For pockets or flaps, reinforce seams with an extra line of stitching to prevent tearing. Test moving parts repeatedly to ensure durability. Finish by sewing 2 page layers together and add a soft.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.